Hello, and good morning, friends. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So I have started off my day well. I have managed to go down to the little mid-shift gym. We're still working on that. Jumped on that treadmill, did some running, did some walking, got on the stair stepper. That stair stepper, you guys, I don't know how familiar some of y'all are with the stair stepper, but I'm gonna tell you what, sorry, my hair's still wet and I'm probably still sweating, but that stair stepper, I promise you, I'm not gonna lie, I was only on it for like 2 minutes. That stair stepper kicked my butt. Just kicked my butt all the way, okay? Sorry, I'm still sweating. Stair stepper, I was only on it for like 2 minutes. I'm not kidding. 2 minutes and 38 seconds to be precise. And was like sweating like, like I had run a mile in 4 minutes. So I'm working my way back up on that one. I just now started doing my workout regimen again, just because that craft room has been a workout all on its own. But got in the shower, did a cold wash. About to throw this up in a ponytail because it's hot and I'm not finna fight hair today. So it's going in a bun. And today we are working on, we've got several things we're working on. Well, yeah. So I have to finish doing, I gotta finish doing some editing and making some music for one of my videos. That's separate. I've gotta do some organization downstairs in the Tupperware bin. Now, I know, I'm gonna tell y'all up front, I know I'm not the only one here whose Tupperware bin look crazy, okay? You open the cabinets and everything just kind of spills out on you. Now, it wasn't always like that, but through process of people putting things where they don't go and me sometimes just throwing stuff under there, it is now a hot mess. And so what I'm going to do is I pulled some bins from my craft room that I'm not utilizing right now. And I'm gonna take those bins and I'm gonna put those and use those underneath the sink until I can find some bins that I actually like. Well, not underneath the sink, underneath the cabinet in the kitchen. Until I find some bins I actually like, because right now I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, if I can't find it online right now, I feel like this situation's at a point where I'm just gonna kind of stay in the house. Yesterday I went out and I got a few things. But today, I ain't going nowhere and it's too hot anyway. So I'm gonna stay my little self in the house and just work on some home stuff. I am here in the bathroom right now, as you can see. And I got a couple things I need to pick up in here, but not really. Overall, it's all right. I gotta straighten it up a little bit. But yeah, so we're working on the pantry, not the pantry. Dear God, not the pantry. We're working on the Tupperware. I gotta finish the curtains for the living room. What else? And I gotta post that video because that's well long overdue. I finally found some more fabric. That's why it's taking so long. Finally found more fabric and I fixed my sewing machines. Aren't y'all proud of me? All three were broke. The Kenmore was down. The Brother was down. What's the other one? Baby Lock. All of them down. And I just finally had enough. I went on YouTube University and looked up about 20 different videos on different issues that could be the problem. I went from there and then I fixed them. I did it all by my lonesome. I'm so proud of me. So I did that. And now that that's back up and working, I can continue on making my curtains. I'm still looking for fabric to finish that other sofa. Good luck on that. I've been to every Walmart in the area, but still waiting to find that. But I'm gonna do my curtains. I gotta put the legs on my island in the craft room. You guys still haven't seen that, but it's coming. My hair is about to puff up. Just for you guys who may not be ethnic and may not understand, I did a cold wash. That means I did a conditioner wash with conditioner in my hair, which I do pretty much every morning. And as it dries, it just gets bigger, which is why I said I'm gonna put it in a bun in a minute. But right now it's starting to rise. It's starting to do its thing. I love big hair, but sometimes when it's really hot like it is today, I don't want to be bothered with it. Okay, just so y'all like, what's going on with her hair? It was just flat a minute ago. Now it's starting to. That's why. Okay. Okay, just for those who don't know. Y'all bear with, there's other people that might be watching who don't know these things. Okay, we don't want to freak them out. But so that's that. But just me doing some quick cleaning around the house. I do have a schedule. Every night I write out the schedule. I used to do this kind of like religiously. And I found that when I do so, when you put yourself on a schedule, you know, like for real, a real schedule, like you go on a work type schedule, you get so much more done. You hold yourself accountable more. So workout, prayer, and get myself together. I haven't really, I tried to put on a little bit of eyebrows, but the rest, as you can see, this is me, y'all. I got on some drawn on eyebrows, but the rest of all this, there's nothing. Okay, I don't look like a witch underneath my eyeshadow, because that's normally what I really wear is eyeshadow. I don't really do a whole bunch of face stuff. I like shadows. I like colored shadows. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you guys are like, just like really enjoying your day. Make a schedule. For all you women, don't act like it is just me. Y'all can come and work on y'all Tupperware bin too. Now's the time. If you at home and you watching this video and you got time to do it, I'm about to work on some of this little other stuff. Y'all get it ready. And then when I do my Tupperware bit video, you guys can be working on yours too. We can do it together. Teamwork makes the dream work. And then you can post a picture of it to show me how it came out, okay? I do so much better when I watch other people clean and then I turn on the cleaning video. It's so motivational. So maybe I can be motivating to you. Get in there and get that stuff up out of there. Get all those lids and plastic stuff that don't have matching parts. Get them out of there and put in some new stuff. Let's do something different. You don't have to get it today, but you can at least get the old stuff out to make room for the new, right? All right, so I'll see you in a minute. Hello, and welcome back. So I'm in the craft room. It's still work in progress, so I'm not showing it yet. But same day, I managed to put on a little eyeshadow. Told you guys I wear eyeshadow. I don't really wear a whole bunch of like face makeup. I'll do my eyebrows because we need those done. But face, you see all my little blemishes because I don't really do too much of that. But anywho, I threw my hair in a bun like I said, and we are in the craft room because I haven't finished these curtains. So we're gonna do that first before we do our little cleanup stuff. Okay, got my coffee. So here you guys just see me going to town on these curtains. I'm so excited to finally have the fabric. It took me a month to get it from Walmart. I paid about $6 to $7, between the $6 and $7 range a yard for the fabric. And it's really, really good fabric, you guys. I went with kind of a heavier fabric just because my kids are a little rough and I just wanted to make sure they stood up to the kid test. So here you see me just cutting out the different pieces to put the rings on the fabric so that you can thread it through the rod when you hang the curtains up. It's not hard to do. There's a kit for it. If you're more interested, let me know and I'll do a tutorial on it. But it's pretty simple. Anyone can do it. So there's two portions. Okay, they both look the same on the outside, but in the inside, there's one with little teeth. You see it? And then this one. Okay, you see that? Let's do another one with the little ripplies in it. And put that in the back. Like I said, front or back, they're both the same, so it won't matter once it's up. You want to... They're super simple to clip together, and you guys will be seeing the final reveal in the next video. And so you guys, hello. I would drop in and show you guys my new little gadget here. So let's get into it. So this is called the Prep Deck, okay? And it is exactly what it says it is. It's a prep deck, okay? Let me bring you in a little bit closer so you can really see it. Okay, so the way this works is it folds out like that, okay? Folds out, and it is a prep deck. It is for preparing food, getting all of your food ready for your meal, okay? So starting at the top, we've got a couple of containers here. Now these containers can go in the refrigerator. So if you want to prep your food and then, you know, put it in the fridge, and they are measuring cups too. They have measurements on both sides in cups and in milliliters, okay? So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. And then some of them also have like a little double compartment on the top. You see there? So that's like the little extra bonus. I am really enjoying this little prep deck. I really love the little spot they put in for the little spices. So these little containers are put in place for you to house all your little spices that you're going to use for your meal. And they have measurements on them. At first, I didn't even see that. I was like, yeah, these are cute. And then I picked it up and I noticed that they have the little lines on there, which is great because sometimes you do need precise measurements. Now, one of the best features for me that I really like about this unit is that it has a little side compartment for you to cut up your items and push them into that little slot there. And then at the end, you can throw it all away. So that is a great feature. And then on the other side here, you have all of your little pieces that go to assist you in your meal prep. They all fit on this nice little rack. They store really, really nicely. One of the things I love about this prep deck is that all of the pieces go on top of the actual canisters. That way you can grate your cheese right into the container and again, less mess. So I thought I'd take this time to tell you what it all comes with, okay? 6 mini containers, 2 small containers, 2 medium containers, 5 large containers, garlic crush, accessory drawer, workstation, cutting board, trash and storage drawer, has 5 lids. We've got a lemon juicer or lime juicer, whichever, a grater, a zester, a 4-in-1 pillar. That is all corralled in this little wonderful box of goodness, okay? And you see me here pushing this little button down. This button is very important. If you do not push this button down, you will not be able to get everything back into the little box. And as you can see here, I really wanted you guys just to see see it in action. And I have my beautiful daughter, my eldest, she's helping me do some prep work with some bell peppers, green onions, some cilantro, mushrooms, and all of that type of jazz. For our morning breakfast, we were having some omelets that morning, as well as some Mickey Mouse colored pancakes. It was a birthday for one of my daughters, so we were kind of just getting things together and prepped, and she was my help in the kitchen this morning. So as you can see, as she's placing everything in the different containers, they're all really, really useful. It's nice because you don't have a lot of scattered, crazy looking containers all over the place. Really, really helps with cleanup, really, really helps with staying organized, and it also looks very nice. And to me, that's one of the things that really make being in the kitchen pleasant, is when things look nice. So this is definitely a win-win for me. And so let's go right into it and talk about the quality of this unit. Overall, I think it has a great quality. Everything except for this chopping board. Now, the part where you chop on is great, but the back of it that I'm showing here, that is like contact paper, and my husband paid, unbeknownst to him, that it was going to be just some contact paper, $40 extra when he ordered it for that paper. So it's just like a big sticker. You guys, don't waste your money on this large sticker. If I would have known that that's what they were going to be mailing us, I would have went to Walmart, got me some contact paper, traced it out, and smacked that bad baby right on there, okay? So save yourself some money.
go somewhere else to get the contact paper and then just apply it. So that's that, you guys. I just want to thank you guys for joining me once again. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Don't forget to hit your notification bell. And as always, stay wrapped in scraps, stay creative, stay positive, enjoy your life, be the best you, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.